So hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So today I'm back again with another recipe. So guys, what you see here is oats that I used to prepare this meat pie. Guys, it was so delicious, yeah. So let me show you how I achieved this aim. So these are the vegetables I'm going to be using. So I have cabbage, I have onions, I have carrots, and then I have tomatoes. Yes. So guys, let's dive in. So here I'm going to start frying. So I'm going to add my onions and the carrot into my pot here. So I already added olive oil, so you can use any oil of your choice. Yes, so I'm going to fry this, but guys, I'm not going to over fry this because I don't want the vegetables to come out soggy. So I'm going to be using corned beef. Guys, am I the only one that who do not know how to open corned beef? Let me know if you are also like me. I don't think I have ever been able to open a canned beef before. No. So they decided to record this. Guys, see, at some point it was working and guys, boom, it broke. So I couldn't open it. So I had to use my tin cutter to open the corned beef. So I don't know if I'm the only one here. So here, as you can see, I use my tin cutter to open it here. So as you can see, this is our veggies. So I'm going to add the tomatoes and then the cabbage. So with the cabbage, I soaked it in hot water. Yeah, I don't like the cabbage very hard here. So here, as you can see, I just added it, and then I'm going to add the corned beef, and then I'm going to add pepper, and then that's it, because the corned beef already has salt, so I didn't add any salt here because corned beef has a lot of salt. So if you want to use corned beef, make sure you add it first before you add salt. Don't add salt before you add, or else it will come out very salty. Yeah. So here, as you can see, I have added it, and then I'm going to stir it to break the corned beef. You see, it's very chunks, so I need to break it here. I was finding it difficult to break it, but as I was able to break it. So guys, see, it was so it was so delicious. This meat pie, guys, it was so delicious. So if you are watching this video and you're looking forward to lose weight, you're suffering from diabetes, and you're looking for something in place of the normal meat pie, then you can use this oats, and guys, it worked very, very well, and it was so delicious. So here I added scotch bonnet pepper because I want heat. Yes. So if you don't want pepper, so guys, this is powdered pepper. Yeah, so if you don't want it, you can omit it. See, at this point, our veggies is ready, our filling is ready. Don't overcook this here because you don't want it to come out very soggy or very soft here. So here at this point it's ready. So I'm going to pour it into my bowl, and then I'll take it to my fridge to cool it down. So here, as you can see, it's looking very beautiful. So I'll take it to the fridge so that I'll start with the dough. Yeah, so guys, this is what this is the oats that I use. So I'm going to use my grinder to make it into, or to turn it into powder. Yeah, so you can use any oats of your choice. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the first one. I'm going to grind it, and then I think I grinded a lot, because make sure you have a lot of oats, because at some point you don't know when your dough will become very soft and you need some of the flour or the oat flour. So make sure you make a lot here, and also when you are kneading, you will need some of the flour. So this is what I got here. So here I'm going to measure about 4 or 5 cups here. As you can see here, that's what I'm going to be using here. So guys, as you can see, I have I made a lot. This is a lot here, a lot of oats here, flour, and this is very healthy. This has a lot of fiber. So if you are watching me and you're looking forward to lose weight, this is the best recipe for you. So I'm going to be using olive margarine or butter. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm not going to use a lot here. So it depends how you want your meat pie to come out. If you want it to become very, very rich, then you add more. So it depends how you want your meat pie or your fish pie, how you want it here. So this is the amount I'm going to be using here. At some point I forgot to add baking powder, but I'm going to add it at some point here. And you know the butter already has sugar, the butter already has salt, so I'm not going to add salt here. So here you mix it very well, mix it. So with this, don't use water, please don't use water. So if you think it's still dry, I'm going to use egg, yes. So please don't use water. You know this is oats before it will become very soft. And if you are mixing and it becomes very soft, of course you have some of the flour, the oat flour. That's why I said make a lot, so you add a little bit to it. So here it was very stiff for me, so I added this egg. Yeah, I used only one. I wanted to use two, but after I added this, I think it was okay for me, so I didn't add any. Guys, this meat pie was so delicious. This pie was so delicious. It was yummy, guys. You couldn't even taste it was oats. Guys, it was so delicious and yummy. So if you are watching me and you are looking forward to lose weight, or you are diabetic, or you have any health condition that is preventing you from eating anything that is carbohydrate, then this is for you. This is the best recipe for you. Please help me share this video because a lot of people needs to see this here. So you make, so at some point you see it was very soft, so I added some of the flour, and then I knead it very well until I got the consistency I wanted. Yeah, so this is me still kneading here. So you knead until you get the consistency you want. Yeah, this is very easy. It's very easy and simple, very easy and simple to make here. As you can see, this is what we are going for. So this is what we are going for here. So now we are ready. So we are going to start making our pie here. So as you can see, so please, with this, it's oats, so it's not flour, so make sure you put some of the oats on your surface here. And also please make sure you knead this very gently, or else it's not going to work here. Knead this very gently here, gently, very gently here. You don't need to use all your energy on this, no. Just knead it as gentle as you can here. So here I'm going to start kneading it here. So you can use your rolling pin, or if you don't have, you can use a bottle. Yeah, it's up to you. You can use any. So this is me rolling here. So guys, I'm rolling this very gently. Yeah, so guys, so after I have gotten how I want it, I'm going to start cutting it here, or making my shapes here. So I'm going to use this bowl. That's what I'm going to be using to cut it here. As you can see here, see how beautiful it's looking here. So this is how I'm going to be making it here. So here, after, I'm going to fold this, and then I'm going to use it to make another side for to cover. Yeah, another dough. What do you call I'm going to make another one, as you can see me rolling. So do it very gently, guys, gently. You can see me, I'm doing it very gently. Yeah, so after you use your bowl again, if you don't have a bowl, you can get any lead that is good that can help you cut. You see, at this point it was about to scatter. So please make sure you do this very gently, because this is oats here. So after, I'm going to add my filling, and also with the filling, don't add a lot, don't add too much here, or else you will not be able to cover it very well here. So I'm going to start putting my filling here. This meat pie was so delicious, so yummy. So this is me adding the filling, yes. So don't add a lot, don't add too much here, please, so or else you'll not be able to cover it here. So after, you are going to cover this, and then use your hand to press. So with this here, the second one, I wanted to use the fork, and it didn't work here. The reason why it didn't work was that, when you're using fork, make sure you use the fork to touch some of the flour before you use it, yeah, to make your shape. So the last one that I did record it, and guys, that one worked. I used the fork and it worked, yeah. So I use it to I use the fork, I use some of the flour, yeah. So I dip the fork into the flour before using it, and it worked. And guys, for you to take this from the surface, make sure you get something that you can use to lift it, you see, or else you will scatter it, yeah. So you can use a spatula or anything, or you with me, I use the knife, yeah. So get anything that you can use to pick it up, yeah, so that it will not scatter. So this is how he's looking. So I'm going to be using my halogen oven to bake this, yeah. So this is me still making it, yeah. So guys, this is so simple and easy, so simple and easy. So use this this is the method you're going to use to make the shapes that are to roll it, yeah. Use this method, yeah, and you are going to love this. It was so delicious, yeah. So I'm going to make, I make two, and then the rest I did it off camera, yeah. So use this method. This is how you're going to roll it very gently, very gently, yeah. Yeah, as you can see me doing. So once you have the how you want it, yeah, how thick or how thin you want it, then you can start cutting it, yeah. So you see me rolling, yeah. So I'm going to cut it, and then we will proceed. It was very simple and easy, very simple and easy, very simple. So if you're looking forward to lose weight, then of course this is for you. Oats has a lot of health benefits. So if you are watching me, oats, and one thing you have to know, oats, you can use oats to do a lot of things, a lot of recipes, yeah, a lot. I'll be sharing a lot of recipes that I use oats to make, yeah. Guys, please help me share this video, and please help me drop a comment, yeah. The comments are not coming, please, yes, drop a comment, yeah, for me to know whether you are liking or maybe you are not. I need to know, yeah, because I get the views, but the engagement is not there. People are not liking, they are not commenting, yeah, and they are not sharing. Please help me share, because a lot of people needs to see this recipe. Yes, this was so delicious. Meat pie that is made with oats. Have you ever seen it before? Let me know. Or have you ever tasted it? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so we apply our filling, and then that's it. And then I'm going to do the rest of camera. So this is the second one. Yeah, so just use this method. You see this method that I used to make this to use the same method here. So here I'm going to be using, that was when I tried to use the fork and it didn't work here. So you see it was breaking. So please, before you use it, make sure you dip the fork into the flour before you start using it here. So here I had to use my finger to close it, yeah. So you can use two fingers as you see me using, yeah. Very simple. So once you are done, just get something to pick it off the your countertop, and this is what we've got. So guys, this is it. So guys, I didn't know my camera was on. At this point I finished brushing it, making the hole, but I just needed to just brush more. So this is how it's looking. So we are going to be baking it, and guys, make sure you use your egg wash here. So this is egg and milk that I mix together, and then I use it to brush it, and then I make the hole, I poke the holes as well. So this is how it's looking after baking. Guys, check this out. It was so delicious. It melts in your mouth. See how it's looking, guys. How would you know if I don't tell you? How would you know this is oats? This is very healthy. So guys, if you are seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to share, like, and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.